So for today, we will discuss about triangle inequality theorems where inequality is in one triangle, and we will also discuss about the exterior angle inequality theorem if pas atin time. So since we are already here, so we will first discuss about illustrating triangle inequality theorem. So as a corollary to the triangle inequality theorem, the difference between any two sides of a triangle is less than the third side. So nata diri no triangle, as you can see, we have A, B, and C. Natay theorem 1, ingon diri sa theorem 1, if two sides of a triangle are not congruent, kung may congruent pasabot pareha, then larger angle is opposite the longer side. Again, kung ang pinakadako na side kay ang iyang opposite ana kay mo na ang pinakadako pod na angle. So if line AC is greater than line BC, then the angle B is greater than the angle A. And for Theorem 1.2, if two angles of a triangle are not congruent, then longer side is opposite the larger angle. So if angle B is greater than angle A, then this means that angle AC, line AC is greater than line BC. So now we also have the third one, which is the triangle inequality theorem. It says there that the sum of lengths, sa galitong sum, that is the answer of addition. So the sum of lengths of two sides, since ang triangle nato na lang tay tulo ka side. So the sum of lengths of two sides is always greater than the third side. Di ba sa triangle, kung imo daw i-add ang duha ka side, that will always be greater than the third side. Example, line AB plus line BC is greater than line AC. So, okay, let's complete the table below by applying the theorem. Number 1. You have three strings of lengths 12, 14, and 21 centimeter. Can this form a triangle? That's the question. We have 12, 14, and 21. The question here is, maka-form ba daw siya of triangle? So we have here, no? Okay, solution. Butang natin dere. Mo ni si 12, si YT is si 12, si YR is 14, and RT is 21. So, solution. No, the sum of two sides, okay, ikaw na to, 12, di ba, unsa tong mga sides na tayo? 12, 14, and 21. So, 12 plus 14 equals 26. And take note, unsa to ikatulong nga side, that's 21, no? Is 26 greater than 21? No. Tama ba? 26 is not greater than, no, I mean, 26 is greater than the third side. Again, so that means that 26 is greater than the third side. So, imo na po i-add. Human na si 12 o si 14. I-add na po mo si 14 and 21. So, 14 plus 21, that is 35. And 35 is greater than ang ikatulong nga side, which is si 12. And then, 21 plus 12, which is 33. And 33 is greater than 14. So, mo nang gingon na to sa theorem here that if you add two sides, it will always be greater than the third side. And sa tanan nila diri, kay always greater gyud ang duha ka sides compared to the third side. Since the sum of any two sides is greater than the third side, the strings of lengths 12, 14, and 21 centimeter can form a triangle. So, number 2 question. Two sides of a triangle have lengths of 7 and 28 units. What is the range of the possible values of the third side? So, given that this is not a Pythagorean theorem because this is not a right triangle, no? So, ang given na nato kay natay 7 ang side and we also have 28 ang the other side. Now, the question is, unsa may mga possible values ni x, no? So, Number one, the solution here, number one is first for us to identify the two sides. So we let A and B, where A should be is greater than or equal to B. B, the two sides of the triangle. So the range of possible values of the third side is given by A minus B is less than the third side X, but that is also less than A plus B, di ba? We always say that when you add the two sides, 7 and 28. So 7 plus 28, the answer is pilaman, 35. Take note that 35 is greater than the third side. So, mother, but if you subtract them, A minus B, kay dapat, it should be, so natay, mano yung gingon na to. So, for the range, di ay, range ang atong ipangita. So, if your A is 28 and your B is 7, then we have here 28 minus 7 is 21. Then we have the third side here, which is less than 28 plus 7, which is 35. So again, 28 minus 7 is less than third side, and 28 plus 7. So the answer is possibly ang third side kay naa sa 22 or greater than 21 but less than 35. So nasa sa 22 to 34 ang possible side ni X. Therefore, the range of possible values of the third side of the triangle above is 28 minus 7, which is less than the third side of X, which is also less than the 28 plus 7, or nasa sa 21 to 35, when it is written in an interval notation. So, the values of X could be possibly from 21, greater than 21, but less than 35. Next, tipon sa niya to discuss, tas I'll be giving you your activity for today. Now, next, we have here our subtopic number 2, which is all about the exterior angle inequality theorem. Take note that when we talk about exterior angle, this means that this is an angle formed between any side of a triangle and a line extended from its adjacent side. Kung may tag-adjacent, tapat. So we have here a triangle, and then, di ba, mani triangle na to ABC. Tapos natay line nga ni extend diri sa CD. So ang exterior angle kay katong naa sa gawas. No, kini siya is an example of exterior angle. Now, exterior angle theorem, or EAT, the measure of an exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of the measure of its remote interior angles. So, pasabot na the sum in this figure, si angle C, di ba? This is angle C, is an interior angle. While si angle B, angle A, are its remote interior angles. Kiniyo, angle A o angle B, kay they are its remote interior angles. So, by the theorem, exterior angle or EAT, pasabot ana that kinita si angle C is equal to the sum of its interior angles, which is i-add lang nimo si angle A o si angle B, then ang answer ana kay equal siya sa angle C. Testingan. So for example, we let angle A is equals to 50 degree and angle B equals 70. So, kini diri angle A is 50 daw. Angle B is 70. And angle C is 120 degree here. So, then angle C is just equal to i-add ra nimo si angle B plus angle A, which is 70 plus 50, which is 120, and which is true. No? Next, exterior angle inequality theorem. The measure of an exterior angle of a triangle is greater than the measure of its remote interior angles. So, it should be greater than. So, mas dako daw. Asa ganito exterior angle diri? Kining, diri sa gawas. Tapos, asa gani ang ijang mga remote interior angles? Kining, naa sa sulod. Way labot si 3 ha. Remote interior angles, angle 1 and angle 2. Exterior angle kay angle 4. Nasabot ana, if you add angle 1 and angle 2, then mo equal na siya sa angle 4 nato, which is our exterior angle. So, in the figure, so we have here angle C is an exterior angle, and angle B and A are its remote interior angles. So, pasabot that si angle C is greater than angle B, and angle C is also greater than angle A. So, if your A is 50, and your A is 50, and your angle B is 70, then ang angle C mo is 120. Then we can say that si 120 is greater than 70, 70 na ha, and 120 is also greater than 50, which is true. Now, for the corollary of the exterior angle theorem. So, the angle opposite the longest side, the angle opposite the longest side is the largest angle, while the angle opposite to the shortest side is the smallest angle. Conversely, the side opposite the largest angle is the longest side, and ang mga side opposite sa naay smallest angle is the shortest side. So given the figure, let's arrange the sides of the triangle in decreasing length. For example, we have here triangle A, B, and C. Triangle A is 70 and triangle B is 50. Triangle, it's angle di ay. So si angle A nimo is 70, so angle B is 50, and angle C is 60. So, since ang imong largest angle kay si angle A man, question, kinsa man ang imong largest side? It should be kanang opposite sa angle A, which is line BC. So if your highest angle is the angle A, then its opposite side, which is BC, is also the highest or the largest side. And then since ang imong pinakagamay na angle is si angle B, unsa may ang opposite nga line, it's line AC. So si line AC pod ang naay pinakagamay nga side. Okay? And that's it. So, I'll be giving you an activity 9:30 pa man, proceed ta sa taas. The first activity na inyong himuon here, kini lang ang ako ihatag. So, write yes if the given length can form a triangle, otherwise, no if it cannot. Sa galito inyong himuon, inganion ra ninyo. No, take a picture. Inganion ra ninyo. If the answer is greater, if tanan answer dire is greater than the third side, then that can form a triangle. Pero if dili siya mo nay isa na less than sa third side, then it cannot form a triangle. So this will be your activity or assignment for today. Sa one whole lang siya ipasa. Tapos isubmit ninyo tomorrow. Ha? Kay kung sa notebook, grabe ka baga ang inyong kuanan.